Top 5 Best Electric Scooters of 2024. In the fast-paced world we live in, the quest for smarter, cleaner, and more efficient modes of transportation has never been more thrilling. Welcome back to the Gadget Corner, your ultimate guide to the latest and greatest in tech. Today we're diving into the future of urban mobility with our list of the top 5 best electric scooters in 2024. Gone are the days of slow, bulky, and boring commutes. The year 2024 has brought us some of the most innovative and stylish electric scooters the world has ever seen. Whether you're looking for speed, range, or groundbreaking technology, we've got you covered. From sleek designs that turn heads in the city streets to robust models that promise an unparalleled riding experience, we've ranked the cream of the crop just for you. And the best part? You can get your hands on any of these amazing scooters through the links available in the pinned comment and description box below. So buckle up as we kick off our journey from number 5 to the absolute best electric scooter of 2024. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Apollo City 2024, a true urban warrior that's setting new standards for electric scooters. Imagine powering through the city, conquering hills with ease, thanks to its robust 500W motor. With an impressive range of up to 40 miles, long commutes are no longer a dread but an adventure. But power isn't all it boasts. The Apollo City doesn't just stop at being fast, it's about stopping fast too. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure you're in control, providing top-notch safety and responsiveness in any weather. And let's talk about comfort. Large pneumatic tires paired with suspension make bumpy rides a thing of the past. Plus, water resistance means puddles and rain can't dampen your journey. For our tech enthusiasts, this scooter is a dream. App connectivity and advanced security features keep you in charge and your ride safe. The Apollo City 2024 isn't just a scooter, it's your reliable, feature-packed companion in the urban jungle. Sliding into the number 4 spot, we've got the Hiboy S2 Pro, a game-changer for those who prioritize both quality and affordability. It's the superhero of budget-friendly electric scooters, delivering top-notch features without breaking the bank. What's more appealing than a scooter that combines convenience with practicality? The Hiboy S2 Pro is foldable and light as a feather, making it your go-to companion for daily commutes. Tuck it away under your desk or carry it onto public transport with zero hassle. But don't let its lightweight design fool you. Safety is where the Hiboy S2 Pro truly shines, equipped with dual disc brakes and bright lights to keep you safe and visible, whether it's day or night. And for those longer treks, its removable battery offers a solid 25-mile range, with the option to swap in an additional battery, doubling your adventure without the downtime. Perfect for the casual rider or those quick hops around town, the Hiboy S2 Pro makes every journey not just a ride, but a delight. At number 3, we're turning the spotlight on the Unagi Model One. The epitome of style meets substance in the electric scooter world. This isn't just a scooter, it's a statement. Weighing in at a mere 33 lbs and boasting an ultra-compact fold, it's your ultimate travel companion for the urban explorer. Imagine gliding through the city with ease, the 250W motor offering that punch of power and agility to take on hills without breaking a sweat. Yet, it's the Unagi Model One's design that steals the show. Sleek, premium, and absolutely head-turning. And for our tech aficionados, this scooter connects seamlessly to your lifestyle. Lock it, track your rides, and personalize your settings, all from the palm of your hand. With comfort in mind, the thoughtful inclusion of a kickstand and a comfortable footrest ensures your journeys are not just stylish but enjoyably seamless. Narrowing down to our runner-up at number 2, the Segway Ninebot Max G30P stands tall as a titan in the realm of electric scooters. This isn't just any scooter, it's a fortress on wheels. Picture this, cruising on large pneumatic tires with dual shock absorption cradling you in comfort as you glide over streets and sidewalks. The ride is so smooth it's like floating on air. For those dipping their toes into the world of electric scooting, the Max G30P is your steadfast ally. Its wide deck and sturdy build not only promise a stable ride, but instill confidence even in the newest of riders. Powered by a 350W motor, it delivers on the promise of a reliable commute with a generous 22-mile range, making it a match for most urban adventures. And it doesn't shy away from challenges thanks to its durable and weather-resistant design. Affordability meets performance here. The Segway Ninebot Max G30P brings high-end features within reach, debunking the myth that top-tier quality must come with a steep price. It's the smart choice for riders seeking durability, comfort, and a dependable daily commute. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Claiming the crown at number 1 on our list is the NIU KQi3 Max, a masterpiece of electric scooter engineering. This isn't just a ride, it's a revolution on 2 wheels. With a powerful 500W motor under the hood, it's ready to conquer hilly terrains and extend your adventures with an astounding 40-mile range. The journey doesn't end where the road does. Safety meets durability in the NIU KQi3 Max. Dual disc brakes offer unmatched stopping power, making it a beacon of reliability, especially for heavier riders who demand more from their ride. Its robust build doesn't compromise on portability, though. Fold it down in a snap for easy storage or to hop onto public transport. Tech-savvy riders rejoice. With smart app connectivity, the KQi3 Max becomes an extension of your digital life. Track your rides, customize your settings, and stay informed with security alerts, all from your smartphone. And it does all this with style. The NIU KQi3 Max isn't just a scooter, it's a statement. Its sleek premium design doesn't just turn heads, it captivates hearts. For those who seek the pinnacle of performance, comfort, and design in their electric scooter, the NIU KQi3 Max is unmatched. It's not just leading the pack, it's in a league of its own. There you have it, folks. Our curated list of the top 5 best electric scooters in 2024. Each of these scooters brings something unique to the table, from budget-friendly options to the pinnacle of design and performance with the NIU KQi3 Max. Remember, the right scooter can transform your commute into an exhilarating journey. And we believe one of these fantastic models could be your next ride. For more details, check out the links in the pinned comment and description below. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Gadget Corner for more tech insights and reviews. Whether you're weaving through city streets or cruising on open roads, stay safe and ride in style. Until next time, keep exploring and see where your next ride takes you.